Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations. Pay attention and listen. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery into the enigmatic realm of Life Path 5. Picture a personality that defies convention, a spirit that thrives on adventure, adaptation, and an insatiable hunger for new experiences. And there is a ton of hidden messages. Look, Life Path 5 individuals are like cosmic wanderers, forever dancing with the winds of change, embracing the freedom to chart their own course amidst life's vast sea of possibilities. The number 5, a symbol of dynamic transformation, pulses with the essence of liberation, guiding these souls towards a life rich in exploration and growth. Imagine a life where every moment is an opportunity to embark on a thrilling adventure, where routine is but a distant memory, and the unknown is met with open arms. This is the essence of Life Path 5, a relentless pursuit of excitement, fueled by an innate desire to break free from the shackles of conformity. But it's not just about the thrill of the chase. It's about the art of adaptation. Life Path 5 individuals possess a remarkable gift for navigating the ever-shifting tides of change with grace and resilience. Like chameleons of the soul, they effortlessly blend into new environments, seizing every challenge as a chance to evolve and transform. And therein lies the beauty of Life Path 5, the boundless potential for growth and self-discovery that comes with embracing the spirit of versatility. Each twist and turn in the journey becomes a stepping stone towards a deeper understanding of the self, a testament to the power of embracing life's uncertainties with courage and conviction. Imagine, if you will, a soul yearning to break free from the chains of limitation, to spread its wings and soar into the boundless expanse of possibility. This is the essence of Life Path 5, a relentless quest for independence that knows no bounds. At the heart of this journey lies the invigorating energy of the number 5, a force as powerful as the wind, propelling us forward on a path of self-discovery and empowerment. It whispers to us, urging us to cast aside the shackles of conformity and chart our own course through the vast ocean of existence. But what does true freedom entail? It is more than just the absence of restriction. It is the ability to carve out our own destiny, to live life on our own terms, guided by the inner compass of our souls. It is the courage to embrace change, to challenge the status quo, and to forge a path uniquely our own. Life Path 5 souls understand that freedom is not a destination, but a journey, a continuous unfolding of the self, an evolution of the spirit. It is a commitment to authenticity, to living in alignment with our deepest truths, even when the world tries to pull us off course. So, I implore you to heed the call of freedom that echoes within your soul. Embrace the liberating energy of the number 5, and dare to dream big, to live boldly, and to embrace the fullness of your own potential. For in the pursuit of freedom, we discover the true essence of what it means to be alive. Now, let's delve into the transformative power of change, a cornerstone of the journey for those walking the path of Life Path 5. Picture life as a winding road, full of unexpected twists and turns. For Life Path 5 individuals, each bend in the road represents an opportunity for growth, a chance to embrace new experiences and evolve into the fullest expression of themselves. Change can be daunting, no doubt. It often requires us to step outside of our comfort zones, to confront the unknown with courage and resilience. Yet, Life Path 5 souls understand that it is through these moments of upheaval that we truly discover our strength and potential. Think of change as a catalyst for transformation, like the caterpillar emerging from its cocoon as a majestic butterfly. Each phase of life offers a chance for renewal, a chance to shed old habits and beliefs that no longer serve us, and to embrace the limitless possibilities that lie ahead. But perhaps the most beautiful aspect of change is its ability to awaken us to new perspectives and ways of being. Life Path 5 individuals are adept at seeing the silver lining in every cloud, finding beauty and opportunity, even in the midst of chaos. So, as we navigate the ever-changing landscape of life, let us embrace the transformative power of change. Let us greet each new day with open arms, ready to seize the opportunities for growth and self-discovery that lie ahead. For in the dance of change, we uncover the true magic of being alive. If you want to learn more about numerology, manifestation, and other hidden secrets about spiritual and personal growth, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. Life Path 5 individuals are like cosmic adventurers, finding their stride amidst the ever-changing landscapes of life. They possess an uncanny ability to thrive in dynamic environments, where change is not feared but welcomed as a catalyst for personal evolution and self-discovery. For these souls, stagnation is the antithesis of growth. Instead of clinging to familiarity, they eagerly embrace the unknown, seeing it not as a threat, but as an opportunity for exploration and expansion. They understand that life is a journey of constant flux, and they approach each twist and turn with an open heart and a curious mind. In dynamic environments, Life Path 5 individuals shine brightest. They are the trailblazers, the pioneers, the ones who lead by example, showing others the beauty of embracing change rather than resisting it. They thrive on the adrenaline rush that comes from navigating uncharted territory, finding joy in the process of discovery and adaptation. But perhaps what sets them apart most is their unwavering belief in the power of self-discovery. They understand that change is not just external, but also internal, that every challenge, every obstacle, is an opportunity to uncover new facets of themselves and grow into the fullest expression of who they are meant to be. In essence, Life Path 5 individuals embody the spirit of evolution. They are not afraid to reinvent themselves, to shed old skins and emerge anew, stronger and more resilient than before. They understand that true growth lies in embracing the inherent dynamism of life itself, and they meet each moment with courage, grace, and an insatiable thirst for discovery. Now, let's delve into the captivating world of insatiable curiosity that defines Life Path 5 personalities. These individuals possess an unquenchable thirst for knowledge and a relentless drive to explore new ideas, cultures, and perspectives. Imagine a mind that constantly hungers for stimulation, eager to dive headfirst into the vast ocean of human experience. Life Path 5 souls are like intrepid explorers, charting uncharted territories of thought and imagination with boundless enthusiasm. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene landscapes of the Amazon rainforest, Life Path 5 individuals are drawn to the rich tapestry of diversity that our world has to offer. They revel in the opportunity to immerse themselves in new cultures, to learn from different ways of life, and to expand their horizons beyond the confines of their own upbringing. But it's not just about collecting passport stamps or accumulating knowledge for the sake of it. For Life Path 5 individuals, curiosity is a gateway to deeper understanding and empathy. It is a tool for breaking down barriers, bridging divides, and fostering connection with others who may seem different at first glance. Whether it's through literature, travel, or engaging in meaningful conversations, Life Path 5 souls are always seeking to broaden their perspectives and challenge their own assumptions. They understand that true growth comes from stepping outside of their comfort zones, from embracing the unknown with open arms. So, let us celebrate the insatiable curiosity that defines Life Path 5 personalities. Let us embrace the joy of discovery, the thrill of exploration, and the wonder of encountering the unfamiliar. For in the pursuit of knowledge and understanding, we not only enrich our own lives, but also contribute to the tapestry of human experience in meaningful and profound ways. The number 5 acts as a magnifying glass for the intellect and intuition of Life Path 5 individuals, illuminating their minds with a profound clarity and depth of understanding. Think of it as a cosmic amplifier, enhancing their innate gifts of perception and insight. Intellectually, those born under Life Path 5 possess a keen analytical mind, capable of dissecting complex ideas and synthesizing information from diverse sources. The number 5 imbues them with a thirst for knowledge, driving them to seek out new ideas and perspectives that expand their intellectual horizons. But it doesn't stop there. The intuitive faculties of Life Path 5 individuals are equally heightened. allowing them to tap into a deeper wellspring of wisdom that lies beyond the realm of logic. They possess a natural intuition, a gut feeling that guides them towards the truth, even when faced with uncertainty. Together, the intellect and intuition of Life Path 5 individuals form a powerful synergy, enabling them to uncover hidden truths and make informed decisions that lead to greater clarity and understanding. They are adept at reading between the lines, discerning patterns where others see chaos, and finding meaning in the midst of complexity. In essence, the number 5 serves as a guiding light for Life Path 5 individuals, illuminating their path with insights and revelations that lead to deeper self-awareness and spiritual growth. It is through the marriage of intellect and intuition that they are able to navigate the twists and turns of life with grace and wisdom, always striving to unlock the mysteries of the universe and the secrets of the soul. Life Path 5 individuals embody the fearless spirit of exploration, driven by an insatiable curiosity that propels them into the unknown with boundless enthusiasm. For them, life is not a journey to be passively observed, but an exhilarating quest for new experiences and profound discoveries. Imagine standing at the edge of a vast wilderness, feeling the pull of the unknown beckoning you forward. This is the essence of Life Path 5, the relentless pursuit of adventure, fueled by a thirst for discovery and a hunger for expansion. But what sets Life Path 5 souls apart is their willingness to embrace the thrill of the unexpected. They understand that true growth lies beyond the comfort zone, in the uncharted territories where the magic of life unfolds in all its glory. For Life Path 5 individuals, every experience is an opportunity to learn, to grow, and to evolve into the highest expression of themselves. Whether they're trekking through dense jungles, traversing rugged mountains, or sailing across vast oceans, they approach each adventure with open arms and a heart full of wonder. So, let us unleash the fearless spirit of exploration that lies within each of us. Let us venture boldly into the unknown, embracing the thrill of discovery and the joy of expansion. For in the journey of Life Path 5, every step taken is a step closer to unlocking the infinite possibilities that await us on the path of adventure. Life Path 5 individuals navigate a delicate dance between two seemingly contradictory forces: the irresistible pull towards freedom and adventure, and the essential need for stability and grounding. It's a balancing act that requires finesse, but one that ultimately leads to profound growth and self-discovery. The number 5, with its dynamic energy, serves as a wise teacher for Life Path 5 individuals, guiding them to find harmony amidst the chaos of life. It teaches them that while adventure is exhilarating and freedom is liberating, true strength lies in the ability to remain grounded in the face of uncertainty. Imagine a tree swaying in the wind, its roots firmly anchored in the earth, even as its branches reach for the sky. This is the essence of balance that Life Path 5 souls strive to achieve, a delicate equilibrium between the desire to explore the unknown and the need for a solid foundation upon which to build their lives. But how does one find such balance in a world filled with constant change and upheaval? The answer lies in cultivating resilience and inner strength. Life Path 5 individuals learn to adapt to whatever challenges come their way, drawing upon their innate resourcefulness and courage to overcome obstacles with grace and determination. They understand that stability does not mean stagnation, nor does adventure require recklessness. Instead, they embrace the ebb and flow of life with open hearts and open minds, trusting in the wisdom of the number 5 to guide them towards the path of greatest fulfillment. So, my fellow seekers of balance, let us heed the teachings of the number 5 and strive to find harmony in the midst of chaos. Let us anchor ourselves in the present moment, drawing strength from the earth beneath our feet and courage from the stars above. For in the dance of Life Path 5, it is the ability to navigate the dualities of existence that leads to true mastery and inner peace. My fellow travelers on the journey of Life Path 5, as we come to the close of our exploration, let us carry forth the wisdom we have uncovered with courage and conviction. Remember, you are not bound by the limitations of the past or the expectations of others. You are a free spirit, a fearless adventurer, and a master of your own destiny. Embrace the exhilarating thrill of the unknown, knowing that every experience is an opportunity for growth and expansion. But also, do not forget the importance of grounding yourself amidst the chaos of life. Find solace in the stability of your roots, drawing strength from the earth beneath your feet as you reach for the stars above. For it is in the balance between freedom and stability that true fulfillment is found. So, my fellow Life Path 5 souls, go forth with confidence, knowing that you possess the resilience and inner strength to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Embrace the adventure that lies ahead, and may your journey be filled with endless discovery, boundless joy, and the unshakable knowledge that you are the architect of your own destiny. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.